is up today, don't get on the bus. The following students, please come to the front office. Nadia Martinez, Jesse Anderson, Noah Perry, Jacob Gallagher. Abigail Page, come to the office.
Oh, Jesus. What? Nothing. Oh my God, what happened? What? How did you get all that stuff? Because I put it there? Oh, the devil's getting mad. The devil's getting mad. Oh, you gonna send him to the master? Hey, are you gonna send him to the master? 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 Are you gonna send him to the master?
Take your retard lashes. I don't want them anymore.
Oh, you don't want your retard lashes anymore.
I'm sorry.
And this fool's on my bus too.